Hi there, how are you doing? This time we are learning the simple present tense. Are you ready to rock? Let's get started. What is and when simple present is used? The simple present tense is one of several forms of present tense in English. We use the present tense. 1. For repeated or regular actions and events. 2. For habits. 3. For general truths or for facts. 4. For instructions or directions. 5. For fixed arrangements. 6. With future constructions. Let's see their examples. For repeated actions or events. We catch the bus every morning. It rains every afternoon in the hot season. They drive to Monaco every summer. For habits. He drinks tea at breakfast. She only eats fish. They watch television regularly. For general truths or for facts. Water freezes at 0 degrees. The earth revolves around the sun. A dog has 4 legs. A week is 7 days. For instructions or directions. Open the packet and pour the contents into hot water. You take the number 6 bus to Watney and then the number 10 to Bedford. For fixed arrangements. His mother arrives tomorrow. Our holiday starts on the 26th March. With future constructions. She'll see you before she leaves. We'll give it to her when she arrives. Well, the next question is, how simple present tense is used? In general, simple present tense formula is divided into 2. 1. Uses verb, and 2. Uses to be. When it uses verb, then the rule or its formula is as follows. Subject plus verb. While, when it uses to be, the formula is subject plus to be plus noun or adjective. All right, let's clarify them one by one. 1. When it uses verb. For positive sentence. The formula or rule is subject plus verb with s or es. As you see in the brackets. The s or es usage is dependent on the subject of the sentence. Simply, if the subject of the sentence is one of I, you, we, they, and plural noun. So the verb is without s or es. While, if the subject of the sentence is one of he, she, it, or singular noun, then the verb must be with s or s. See these examples. I, you, we, they, my brothers, speak English at home. As you see, the subjects of the sentence are you, we, they, and my brothers. And the verb is speak. So, the verb speak is without s or es. While he, she, it, my sister, speaks English at home. Here, the subjects are he, she, it, and my sister. And again, the verb is speaks, in which it is with s. What about es? We need to add s when the basic verb form ends in ch, sh, ss, and o. See these examples. He washes the car. She watches a nice movie. Mary passes the book to me. The train goes very fast. What about if we want to use simple present tense in negative form? Well, here is the formula. Subject plus do not, or does not, plus the verb. In this case, use do not. If the subject of the sentence is one of I, you, we, they, and plural noun, then use do not. For example, we want to change the previous examples into negative. So, they become you, I, we, they, my brothers, do not speak English at home. But if the subject of the sentence is one of he, she, it, or singular noun, then use does not. For example, he, she, it, my sister, does not speak English at home. And if we want to use simple present tense in forming interrogative sentence, then the rule is do, or does, plus, subject, plus, verb, plus, question mark. Just like in negative form, we use auxiliary do if the subject is one of you, I, we, they, and plural noun, while does is used if the subject of the sentence is one of he, she, it, and singular noun. For example, do, you, I, we, they, my brothers, speak English at home. Does he, she, it, my sister, speak English at home? Well, now let's continue and understand when we use the simple present tense with to be. The formula is subject plus to be plus noun or adjective, and this formula is for positive sentence. There are three to be in simple present tense. They are, is, am, and are. The question is which one to use. All right, see this. If the subject is I, then use to be am. If the subject is one of he, she, it, and singular noun, then use to be is. But if the subject of the sentence is one of we, they, you, and plural nouns, then use to be are. See these examples. I am a doctor. He is a doctor. She is a doctor. My sister is a doctor. We are the doctors. They are the doctors. You are the doctor. My sisters are doctors. If we want to make these sentences into negative form, then we just need to add not after to be, in which the formula is subject plus to be, not, plus noun or adjective. For examples, I am not a doctor. He is not a doctor. She is not a doctor. My sister is not a doctor. We are not the doctors. They are not the doctors. You are not the doctor. My sisters are not doctors. And if we want to make simple present tense in the form of interrogative sentence, then we put to be in the beginning of the sentence, as the formula is, am, are, plus, subject, plus, noun or adjective, plus, question mark. For example, am I the doctor? Is he a doctor? Is she a doctor? Is your sister a doctor? Are we the doctors? Are they the doctors? Are you the doctor? Are your sisters doctors? All right. As we have already discussed and understood the simple present tense, now let's try to answer this exercise. Pause the video if you need some more time to answer, then you may check and compare your answer later in the key answers. Good luck. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense of the verbs in parentheses. 1. Winter, blank, after autumn. 2. A dog, blank. 3. You, blank, tired. 4. Everyone, blank, mistakes. 5. Ali, blank, in a department store. 6. Judy, blank, English very well. 7. Tim's knee, blank. 8. Monkeys, blank, bananas. 9. Kate always, blank, sandwiches for lunch. 10. He, blank, very fast. Fill in the blanks with am, is, or are. 1. They, blank, my good friends. 2. He, blank, a soldier. 3. You, blank, taller than Charlie. 4. She, blank, ill. 5. We, blank, very hungry. 6. It, blank, a sunny day. 7. I, blank, angry with Joe. 8. You, blank, all welcome to my house. Fill in the blanks with is or are. 1. John's dog, blank, very friendly. 2. Robert blank 10 years old. 3. These flowers blank very pretty. 4. The two schools blank close to each other. 5. Math blank not a very difficult subject. 6. Blank dinner ready. 7. This computer blank very easy to use. 8. All the windows blank open. 9. Sue and Jane blank neighbors. 10. His hair blank curly. Key answer. Now you may check and compare your answers. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense of the verbs in parentheses. 1. Winter comes after autumn. 2. A dog barks. 3. You look tired. 4. Everyone makes mistakes. 5. Ali works in a department store. 6. Judy speaks English very well. 7. Tim's knee hurts. 8. Monkeys like bananas. 9. Kate always eats sandwiches for lunch. 10. He types very fast. Fill in the blanks with am, is, or are. 1. They are my good friends. 2. He is a soldier. 3. You are taller than Charlie. 4. She is ill. 5. We are very hungry. 6. It is a sunny day. 7. I am angry with Joe. 8. You are all welcome to my house. Fill in the blanks with is or are. 1. John's dog is very friendly. 2. Robert is 10 years old. 3. These flowers are very pretty. 4. The two schools are close to each other. 5. Math is not a very difficult subject. 6. Is dinner ready? 7. This computer is very easy to use. 8. All the windows are open. 9. Sue and Jane are neighbors. 10. His hair is curly. That is simple present tense. Our next topic of discussion is present progressive tense. By the way, don't forget to support me by subscribe if you haven't. Thanks and ta-ta.